I'm sorry about that. I hit the wrong button on my phone. My buddy and I went to a hardware store when I was down there, and I bought some black window screen material, but I can't find it. So I do have this stuff, and I am attempting to make an O-ring for his clock. I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours, and I have it in the spring, which helps bind it together. You can purchase these. It's supposed to have another alligator clip here, but I don't know what happened to it. I bought this thing many years ago, but I use super glue, Duro super glue to make that O-ring, and it worked on my clock, and my clock is still working after all this time. But I don't know what I did with the black O-ring that him and I purchased. And so, anyway, I messaged him saying that he needs to ship me one of his springs, because my spring that I made, even though it's a spring, it is a spring, but it is thicker wire than what is on my clock. And he's got some springs that he bought, or somebody gave him. Anyway, when I was at his house, he pulled out the springs, and I'm like, no, they're not going to work. They're too small. Well, I was wrong. And the point of these videos is sometimes it helps if you have two clocks that are exactly the same, so you can figure out what is wrong with the one that's not working. One clock that's working, one clock that's not working. But that's the purpose behind these videos. And I think after he sends me a spring, and hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that that window seal will work, or I might have to order some O-ring material to get his paddle wheel to work, because that's what it takes. It takes the now there are some clocks out there that use a chain, but I think the O-ring material works better. The chain, to me, binds up in this lower donut here, and so I think the O-ring material would work better. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video. I wish I could get his clock working, but I can't do it without the proper materials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and may God bless each and every one of you.